Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2022 MGHS, stock number 6552. This ran from the 3rd 2021 to the 12th 2024. It has an SAS 23 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol hybrid engine backed by a 10-speed automatic transmission. This is the SAS 23 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol hybrid engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, left rear taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right rear taillight, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front 17-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,